What is up, Pyros? Here with another demo video today. We have Neon Pulse from Sunwing Fireworks. It is a 500 gram, 25 shot cake. Got a pretty good bore size, a little over an inch. Got an angle to it, so again, make sure you face it properly. Let's take a look, see if we can find the performance on here. There we go. Zoom in on that for you. Colorful dahlia, gold crown, red strobe, colorful peony, falling leaves, and gold chrysanthemum. There's all the colors. So yeah, this is Neon Pulse from Sunwing Fireworks. Let's take a look.